Got him, dude.
Today, I'm in Klamath Falls, Oregon, and I'm visiting my friends at the ledge. So I want to introduce you to Mike, and after that, we're going to go hit the water. Same dog, different shop. Mike's big in the recreational kayak business here in Klamath Falls, but he does also all sorts of different outdoors gear, basically anything you can need and all the stuff you probably don't even need. The man himself. Just a treasure trove of all sorts of fun stuff. And a full-on climbing gym. So we're gonna get out of here though. We're gonna go hit the water and explore the more natural side of Klamath Falls today. All right, so we just got to the put in here. Klamath Lake. This is Upper Klamath Lake. And a place called Rocky Point, which has a canoeing launch. So we just hit the water here, and I'm with my friend and guide, Dean Lim. He's not really a guide, but he's guiding me today. But he is a local legend when it comes to kayak fishing up here. And we ran into each other at Mike's shop, so we decided to come out here, and he's going to show me around and hopefully get a big red band trout on the line for us. So what are you throwing out there today to him?
I'm throwing a Clio. I like working spoons to fish like this. How fast the spoon can fall, you kind of have some more control. Whereas if you're using like a Rapala or something, you know, you can still jerk a Rapala, but you're kind of stuck to their fall rate is what it is. Where with the spoon, you can give it some pops and you can play it a little bit, and with some practice, you kind of have a little more control over where the lure's at.
So what's so wild to me is Dean's sitting here fishing for these guys like we would bass fish in the Delta. This place kind of reminds me of Clear Lake, except for there's 10-pound trout swimming underneath us everywhere you look. The water is spring-fed and it is freezing cold. But he's just working the shoreline. There's like a little, it just drops off, and it's kind of an ambush spot, so he's staying on the deeper side of that drop-off and working it to that ambush point. Just like bass fishing. So I don't know if you guys can see this, there's a huge spawning kokanee right there. You see it swimming around? Right there. There's a spawning pair, and it just hit Dean's line. We're hoping that it'll come back around. Oh no, you got it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So awesome.
Yeah, 17 3/4, 17 and a half.
Look at that beauty. Nice fish, Dean.
Yeah. There you go. Ready? Man. Money, money. I want to catch the male. Got him. Got him, dude. Oh my gosh.
So yeah, we're fishing the spot.
This is so beautiful.
And you can just see right to the bottom, and you can watch these huge kokanee take the bait.
This one might break 20 inches, man. Wow. What?
Look at that beautiful fish.
Yeah, dude. There we go. Look at the teeth on that guy. Oh, man.
What a day here in Klamath. Oh my gosh. This was a last minute decision to come out here and fish and check out this area. And I could not be more stoked.
19 and a quarter.
Look at that fish. Dean is seriously the fish whisperer. We're wrapping up our day here in Klamath, but it wouldn't be complete without at least one white pelican. He's over there doing some fishing. The scenery around here is stunning. I can't even tell you like just how beautiful it is. The colors of the sky, the mountains, the trees, the crystal clear water, the fish. It's all just like turned up to 11 here. I can't wait to get back here even before I leave. Paddle Klamath is definitely earning a place in my heart, and I'll definitely be spending some more time up here as time allows. So thank you guys for watching. I had a great time hanging out with Dean up there in Klamath, and I can't wait to get back up. If you guys haven't done so already, take a minute, like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a comment, let us know what you're thinking about what we're doing, and we're going to do our best to keep the content coming.